Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. In this video, we are going to see classification of points in time scales using jump operators. For an element t in time scale t, we have following cases. 1. If sigma t is strictly greater than t, then t is called as right scattered. 2. If t is strictly less than supremum t and sigma t coincides with t, then point t is called as right dense. If rho t is strictly less than t, then point t is called as left scattered. If t is greater than infimum of time scale t and rho t coincides with t, then point t is called as left dense. Further we have, if point t is left scattered and right scattered at the same time, then t is said to be isolated. And at last we have, if t is left dense and right dense at the same time, then point t is said to be dense point of a time scale. Now here we have t1, t2, t3, t4, t5 and t6 are some points of arbitrary time scale t. Then we can observe that point t1 is dense as it is both left dense and right dense. Point t2 is left dense and right scattered. Point t3 is right dense and left scattered. And point t4 is isolated point as it is both left scattered and right scattered. Now we will see some examples. If time scale t is set of real numbers, then all points in this time scale are dense. If time scale t is set of integers, then all points in this time scale are isolated points. Now, if we consider time scale t as union of interval 0, 1 with set 2, 3 and its union is taken with interval 4, 5, then we have 0 in this time scale will be right dense, 1 is left dense and right scattered, 2 and 3 are isolated points, and 4 is left scattered and right dense, and we have for 5 will be a left dense point of given time scale t.